Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up automatic top-ups to your Revolut account. So it's pretty easy, you just have to open the app and then you just have to tap on the add money icon on the left. Then when it appears with your preferred transfer method that you have used the last time for topping up your account, you have to click on this icon on the left, which opens this menu where you can set the amount below which it is going to initiate the automatic top-up, and then below that you can add the following amount to be transferred when your balance falls below this amount. So let's say I will set it to 3000 lei. So when my balance goes below 3000 lei, it is going to transfer another 3000 automatically. Or you can obviously type in any amount that fits your needs. So if this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.